Place this in your home, and ants will quickly disappear. Take a small lid and add a little honey, whose sweet scent strongly attracts ants. Then add some baking soda and mix everything thoroughly. Place the finished mixture where ants appear most often. After a short time, you'll notice there are fewer and fewer of them. A quick and effective way to relieve itchy mosquito bites. This trick will make the bite mark disappear and bring relief. Mosquito bites come with many inconveniences. Blisters appear on the skin, accompanied by itching. Here's what to do to keep the bites from bothering you. You will need 2 ingredients in a jar. The first is cotton wool. The second, slightly more important, is mouthwash. It's crucial that it contains menthol and eucalyptus, as these have soothing and aromatic properties. Now, take the jar and put the cotton wool in it. However, you need to prepare it properly first. From a large piece of cotton wool, form several or even a dozen small balls. Put these balls into the jar. Take the mouthwash and pour it into the jar with the cotton wool, ensuring that each ball is soaked in the liquid. Leave them in the liquid for a few hours. After this time, apply one of the soaked cotton balls to the bite mark. This will help soothe the pain caused by the venom and make the bite marks disappear faster. Additionally, the presence of eucalyptus in the mouthwash acts as a repellent. These will be perfect for your vacation. Just a few drops will deter ants. If you want to get rid of them in your garden or home, this simple and inexpensive mixture is all you need. It won't harm plants or household members, but effectively repels ants. To prepare it, you only need a few household ingredients. Take a pitcher and pour half a liter of water into it. Then add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense smell disorients ants. Mix the solution thoroughly. Next, add half a teaspoon of garlic, which irritates ants. After adding the garlic, mix again and add half a teaspoon of pepper. Wait a few minutes, then strain the mixture through a sieve. Pour the prepared mixture over areas where ants are present. Cinnamon, garlic, and pepper, especially black pepper, contain substances that irritate ants. Therefore, using this previously prepared mixture will cause ants to avoid areas treated with this solution. You won't see flies, mosquitoes, ants, cockroaches, or moths in your home anymore. Try this simple trick with aluminum foil to get rid of these insects quickly and effectively. Prepare a small bowl. First, you'll need instant coffee. Put 2 tablespoons of instant coffee into the bowl. Coffee repels many pests, but is especially good at keeping mosquitoes away. Next, prepare some hot pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper to the coffee. Its scent will deter moths and ants. You'll also need bay leaves. Take a few bay leaves and crush or cut them into smaller pieces. Bay leaves are particularly effective against moths. Gently mix the spices together. Now, prepare some aluminum foil. Tear or cut a piece and divide it into smaller sections like I show in the video. We need pieces about this size. Lay 1 piece flat and put a spoonful of the insect mixture on it. Fold the foil as I do. This will help you get rid of ants, moths, flies, and mosquitoes. Once you have your little packet, poke a few holes in it with a toothpick. Place these spice-filled foil packets in various spots around your home. The smell of the spices will keep ants, moths, flies, and cockroaches away. This way, you can eliminate these insects from every corner of your home. Add oil to your coffee. Once you learn this trick, you won't waste money unnecessarily. Give it a try, and the annoying problem will disappear. Prepare a container and pour about 250 milliliters of water into it. Add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee to the water. Instead of fresh coffee, you can also use coffee grounds. The effect will be the same. Stir well to mix the coffee with water. Get a jar that can hold the entire mixture. My friends taught me this. I saw it for the first time at their place, so now I'm showing it to you. It's a great method. Take some oil and pour it into the jar. Just regular cooking oil you have at home. It doesn't have to be fresh. You can also use oil left over from frying fries. Now, prepare a cap or lid. It's important that it's aluminum, not plastic. It can be any cap from a drink in a glass bottle. Make a small hole in it. Take out the wick from an old candle. If you have a ready-made wick at home, you can use that. They are sometimes available in stores. A small piece will suffice. Thread it through the cap. The longer part must be under the cap. Place the cap on the oil in the jar. Light the wick, and the problem will disappear. Wondering what problem? It's about mosquitoes. This is a way to deter these insects. You can place such a candle on your patio and not worry about bites. It's simple to make, and you definitely have the ingredients at home. Remember this trick when mosquitoes try to spoil your evening on the balcony or patio. I've never gotten rid of ants so quickly. I scared them away simply, and they haven't returned. When ants get too close to your home, garden, or your child's sandbox, you just need to spray a homemade solution. It's 100% effective. If you have ants in the sandbox, this will also deter cats that often use the sandbox as a litter box. Start by preparing a bowl of water. Add a few teaspoons of cinnamon to it. Ants hate the smell of this spice. Then squeeze the juice of a lemon and add it to the cinnamon water. This is another scent ants dislike. The next ingredient is coffee grounds. Add a few teaspoons of them. Coffee grounds are one of the best products for repelling ants. Finally, add a few drops of mild soap or dishwashing liquid. Mix everything and let it sit for a few hours. Then strain the mixture. Pour it into a spray bottle. Now, you just need to spray the areas where you see ants. You can spray the soil around plants, benches, or the sandbox. Also, secure the entrance to the terrace. This method isn't harmful to ants or other insects, but it is effective. The ants will simply relocate to another place. It only takes 10 minutes to get rid of ants. This trick will make the ants run away. You can eliminate an entire anthill without using harmful substances. I'll show you how to do it. Take a lemon, which is the main ingredient of our trick. Also, prepare some cloves. They are the second most important ingredient. Cloves are a very effective natural ant repellent because insects dislike their strong scent. Take the cloves and start sticking them into the lemon. There should be quite a few cloves. This lemon is now ready to use. Simply place it on the anthill. You can also place it where ants often appear. You'll see the first effects within a few minutes. Cloves combined with natural repellents like lemon create a strong deterrent effect. The ants will disappear quickly. There's no need to resort to chemical insecticides right away. It's worth using homemade remedies. Stick a pad to a fly swatter. Take a standard fly swatter, the kind you have at home. Any will work. Then remove the pad from its packaging. Peel off the protective papers and stick the pad onto the fly swatter. Use this prepared tool to clean the floor under the cabinets, where the mop can't reach. This tool will reach every crevice with ease. Notice how the pad picks up dirt perfectly. You'll see that your floors will shine with cleanliness and sparkle like never before. You can use this tool on any difficult surface. Watch how the pad effectively collects dirt, removing even the smallest particles. This way, you'll remove dirt and dust from hard-to-reach areas where the mop couldn't go. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. Using a pad in your daily cleaning routine surprises with its efficiency and versatility. With it, your home will always look like it's been professionally cleaned.